You wanna come kiss up me Bible and me shield and me rifle. You wanna can't discard disciple.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line. So I hope all is blessed and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth and your health is your wealth. Big up on the damn self, you know. Big up all of my kings and queens, brothers, sisters, lovers, haters, friends, families, viewers, subscribers, peacemonger, warmonger. You hear me saying them, peace lovers. Viewers and subscribers, I don't have vlog on the go, see? So give thanks to the day, give thanks to the horizon. Yes, man, so. Big up Mama Sir. We see right now, Mama Sir. I sure say, yo, big up foot type around the Mama Sir straight. See, Mama Sir come out and talk some things with you. But I don't know, Father God said preach. I don't have to preach in a decent way. You don't have to preach in the uptown or whatever. You can't go anywhere and deliver your message in any form of way, you know? Yes. So my viewers and subscribers, ladies have a song name. No Sucker. Anyway, I run through it, you know. No long talking, see? We're not gonna no break, nothing. Yes, man, so you a lady sassy.
One cock from a force, no click from a no
One cock for her nook, for her pussy. See? No click to her nook. Hey, you soft, I have a lady saw just say she Rudy.
It's a blood clot, that is a tree storm.
Not tree some around here. Yes! Nah, something up around here. Nah, you see me? No breeze, nah blowing her hair. And she nah do it and she nah get it. See? If anyone do it yet, thumbs up. Emoji in the comment section. Yes, man, if anyone do it, you know, you don't know. Salute, salute, salute. Big up who do it still, you know. You don't know lion foot now tell nobody what to do. And we know what to do. You see it? You make your own judgment and face your own consequence or you face your luck. You see me? Yes, that's what I say. Back for ride. Cock for ride, pussy enough for suck. Back for bend, head enough for duck. Bring the cocky come, make she happy like a yo. She not drink out and I would like hop. Viewers and subscribers, you hear the metaphors and similes them. Don't play Mama side, you don't have vlog on the going right now. I'm going to cut right now. I'm so far up on the other side. Zin? Yeah.
Babes, having you in my life is like a blessing from above. I enjoy and cherish every moment when we're making love. It's real. This is how I feel. Fucking you.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You don't know vlog on the go, anything goes. So right now, we're up on a different side, different scene, you know what I mean? No, Mama Sir, the first man hear Mama Sir, you know, big up all of my fans, them, all of the viewers them on the channel. Yeah. So I say, big up on yourself, big up Mama Sir. Yo, if Mama Sir ever forward back in a problem, you know.
Drink out and no good like us. Sucking and no part of me up. That's why me don't lay down with Addy.
What are they? Suction and a part of me hobby. That's why we don't lay down with Haddy. You know, Haddy, freaky girl, and girl love you love. You know, Haddy love the freakiness. No girl can't take off my baggy. If I treat some you want, then bring that to. Ooh, saggy. Hey, yo.
I'm not suck my pussy around here. I'm not going to reason on your ear. You never suck a trick, put your hand in the ear. You're not pissing on your mouth like red stripe.
No, so that was around there. No, blow up in anywhere. If you never suck up. Yeah, man. Comment in the comment section. Let me see you here. Yo, big up Mama Sir. You say Mama Sir go hard and make you know say yo, no following round here. You see me I say? Mama Sir we sing about the sycamore tree. A boy I'm tell him to flee. Mama Sir love the hard dick. You see me I say? Yeah, man, some freakiness, man. I say, man, how would you do that? R. Kelly, I'm sure a video with liquid R. Kelly, a piece for the girl or something like that. Some girl, them things turn on some girl, you know. And some man too, you know. Yeah, man. Some man love when the girl and piece for them, and some girl love when the man piece for them. No boy can't give me the golden shower. What on the golden shower? What that? What in the golden shower? Boy, I don't know. Mama say, what? Anybody know what is golden shower? Come down the comment section with me here. The boy can't give me the golden shower. Me she ride off it. Mama say, the boy can't get the golden shower now. She ride off the cocky for hours.
You never know what's in my pussy got power. You carry sharp wave like digital.
Mama say, anyone knows her pussy have power. Make it shock wave like digital tower.
The ears but no not your ear. That is a egg not going down there. Me no care if you shave it with near. Freaky girl the one that get it is weird. Me not some.
Yeah, but Mama says she not go down there, you know. She not care if you shave it with shear, you know, or something, mirror or whatever, you know. But she not go down there. If a freaking is a go look it elsewhere. Viewers and subscribers just say, Mama say, burn out the slackness them and now. Then nowadays artists have come implement it, like the Jada Kingdom and the Spice them and Kartel and all of them come dash it raw, not the music business. That's what I say. But
Pussy round here. I'm not going to reason on the rear. You never suck a clip, put you on in the ear. You're no pissing on your mouth like red stripes here. Me.
yo, Mama say, viewers and subscribers, but now let me see foot and dance this and I say, yo, where foot I go find? Is this new? A new song this? I couldn't have a new song this because I don't know Minister Hall is still in the church. But me I tell you, say, if Minister Hall come back, you saw Minister Hall yam up the rhythm. You saw she yam up the rhythm a DJ like a man energy from the belly bottom. Yes man. None of the girls them not DJ. None of the females them not DJ like that now. Them a sing them new style, you know, chop style and them thing there. Mama say get a raw, hardcore, authentic DJ. So them for, right now, Mama start for clash them right now. Trouble for them. So they better be careful. Yeah man, I don't lie man. At first I hear the Mama say, but I love it still. I like it. Yeah man. We need some of them singing at the dance hall. She never come and say kiss. No boy, cocky and no girl split. She no lick, she no sip, she no bite, she no She a one girl and no nastiness. No nastiness. Mama say I go past the hip and she nah use her teeth to pull off no boy zip. No girl can't beat Mama say with no whip, no can't come close to come right port. Hey! Oh, I let the yo. And so like nothing to say. Yo, viewers and subscribers, but all who was saying hard, what want to say? Yeah man, put your hand here, comment section if you straight like an arrow. You know what I mean? I don't know, Lion Foot say equality, diversity, empathy. If a girl want to sleep with a girl, if a man want to sleep with a man, feed them business. That's me now to trouble them. You see what I say? I love and unity because I don't know, I associate with them in the bottom. You see, they're now fast in place, everything good. You see what I say? Big up everybody man, you see me? Yes man. Mama say, more forward back, you know, more forward back in the dance hall. And right now, they might use, we call it now, shade psychology they might use, you know. Them know why you're coming up, but they act like they want you forward back, you know. Because them know if you're forward back, a trouble. No for them a rookie. Mama say forward and teach them how it's done. Whip them, beat them. All I want to come kiss out me Bible. The all I want to come kiss out me Bible. Me Bible and me shield and me rifle. And I want to can't discard disciple. Oh, I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.